Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to say thanks to all of those students who had joined us for the writing classes and as well as for the spoken. You guys are not only associated with us for the few days or for a month. I just want you to be associated with us for the longer time, okay? And for that, you can ask whatever question you bear in your mind.
We took the spoken class a few days ago and recorded this video, but due to the hectic schedule, I did not have the proper time to edit this video. That I told the students, specifically for the writing classes, not to leave the groups that we have created for them so that they can practice their writing for the longer time. If you guys have to be appeared in any kind of the board exams, then you must have to join us for the writing classes. If you remember, we have told you a few days ago that we will showcase the result of the students for the writing classes. We also talked about the progress of the students from the spoken class.
So after that, they will be able to speak English in front of any non-native, whether they are native or non-native speaker, they will be able to speak in front of them without any hesitation. This is why we are specifically focusing on the spoken language.
Then I invited each student individually to show their handwriting. This is Mr. Sohaib from Government High School. Then we have Zulkarnain. Then we have a cute Ubaid. I forget his name, but he's also obedient student from the Government High School. This is Mr. Bilal. And then we have Mr. Abdullah. This is Adil from BPS. This is Mr. Junaid from Ghazali.